car is coming to me, I was actually enjoying the race, and here I come on the track, driving again, fast and turn. And I love the way they have given you. So I hope you can make a track like this, and we can build those tracks as we want. We can purchase those tracks as we want and enjoy racing these, because look at that, man. This precision driving is definitely, things have improved in this car. Oh, hello kitty. Woohoo, you must be cold. Oh, look at that. Let me give you some love here. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Greetings, AliShanMao here, and welcome to the video review of the SNT Q25 R27, the micro FPV car. Now, I have posted a video review of micro FPV car from SNT previously, which you have watched, and you might be wondering what is new and what is improved. So in this video, I will also give you pointers on what has improved in R27 from SNT. So let's bring the camera closer. Let me give you a closer look at this micro FPV car, talk about the radio controller and the FPV video goggles that came with it. And then, of course, the thing that I like about is that this time you don't have to pick up stuff to make a, mini race track in your room, because this time it came with the official race track for these micro FPV cars. And really nice to fold it down to a small size, and you can carry it anywhere and put it down on the floor. Get your FPV racing track, official racing track, ready in no time at all and start racing with your friends. So this is the first. So this is what I really like about. Thank you SNT for including this race track together with this package. Alright, let's take a closer look at the SNT Q25 R27 micro FPV car. I like this cartoonish design of a classic drift car from the past. I like the blue color as well, because our family car when I was a kid, Toyota Starlet, was in this color and kind of reminds me of that car. Now, one thing that I noticed, and I want to say that please SNT pay attention to quality control, because my car arrived with a broken spoiler at the back right here. But anyway, it works. Now, what has improved in this car? Let's talk about that very quickly. First thing you want to notice, and you're watching it, that they have now the FPV module, which is magnetic. So removing it and putting it back on is super easy. Sometimes you don't want to drive FPV. You want to race these micro cars, line of sight. So you can remove the FPV system and drive and race these micro cars line of sight. And when you want FPV, bam, you can easily add the FPV module on top and start driving FPV. Driving without this, of course, you have less weight on the car and less power consumption, no power consumption from FPV system, so you might be able to drive longer. However, there another feature right here which is improved. They say that now even with the FPV system, you can drive this car with an upgraded battery up to 30 minutes on a fully charged battery. Well, we will put that to a test and see if this is true or not. The other thing that has improved is that the gearbox does not limit the wheels anymore. Before, you wouldn't want to push the car on the floor because it will probably damage the gears, but now it does not limit. So you see the car is easy to move and you can hear the gears. So it actually gives better performance, and in terms it gives better driving range and driving endurance as well. Also, they have said that they have improved the precision with the proportional throttle and proportional steering, so you can actually drive at slower speed and still have better control at slower speed, so you can actually go around the tighter tracks. And talking about tracks, I have just shown you also have an official track given in the package to you. Last but not least, they have also updated the power module so you can actually enjoy more speed as well. And sometimes if you punch the throttle, your car will even pull wheelie. Here is the radio controller, which is again the same thing like before. You have this kind of tilted design so your hands actually stay in natural posture. You have buttons to control various features of the car. You can also charge the FPV car right from the radio controller. This is the output. Do not use this once again to charge the radio batteries. You will have magic smoke. This is only for output so that you can connect your FPV vehicle here and charge it. And for that, of course, they have improved one more thing which I like, that now instead of Li-ion battery, you have this pack right here, micro 3 AAA batteries that you can easily buy in the market and add it to your radio controller. These batteries, not only you can power the radio controller, but also supplied this USB little connector, USB-C connector. You can put it right here and put your FPV car connected to USB connector. And now when you turn the radio on, you can see that the car starts charging right from your radio controller, which is a very, very good thing. I like it. Now, the car has a really nice power. As you can see, the upgraded module, power module. Yes, look at that. How it actually shoots. And, you know, it's actually pulling wheelies. If it has proper grip, it will pull more wheelies. And it can actually climb the obstacles as well. Look at that. A little bit of up and down is not a big deal for this car now because it has enough power. Now let's look at the FPV video goggles that come with the SNT Micro FPV car. These are basically the same FPV video goggles that you have watched in my previous video, and they come with previous models as well. It actually does a very good job. It has a built-in DVR which records a good quality standard definition video that you can share, with your family, friends, or online of your Micro FPV car driving or racing. It also has an AV out, so you can video out on a bigger TV screen so people can watch. Or if you don't like video goggles like these boxy video goggles, you can just AV out or video out to a big screen TV and drive and race your Micro FPV car through that big screen. It has an auto search feature, diversity video receiver with 2 antennas. You can also manually change the bands and channels. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, man, this thing shoots really fast. So I've been driving on this track just to get practice, and you've got to make a circle right here. I added 3D printed chains as well, give more reality. Uh-oh, we have a giant cat in the way. It moved away, and we are on the fast lane. Okay, that went very, very fast. So the controls are actually pretty nice, and turning diameter is really very, very good on this. You can see that I can actually try my best to get used to it. Turn. In fact, if I want, the turn radius is really sharp. And, controls, yes, you can see that. I am trying to get used to it, and you can see it is really nice on both throttle control and steering control. It has improved a lot, people. It really has improved a lot. Now you have, look at that really sharp turn. Ooh, look at that BO-105 helicopter. Yes, the turn is really nice and sharp radiuses, and also the turning control. I mean, the precision on the turns, proportional control, steering, and the driving speed, even slow or fast, is really very nice this time. It did improve a lot, people. And look at that, how it shoots fast right there. Oh, I missed my turn right there. Really, the speed is very, very good now. So to say, yes, SNT Diatom, you have really improved this. Now I'm going to punch it and look at that, how it goes. Really nice. Reversing is also good. Oh man, I'm simply loving the way this car handles now. Look at that. It really handles very, very nice. Precise controls, man. I'm now having fun. Number one, once again, 1, 2, 3, go! Yes, it did slip just like a real car would do, and you have to control. We have a good control right here, making turns, coming to a straight line. Uh-oh, the belt caught me. No, sorry, the chain caught me. Once again, making a turn. Man, this left was really fast. So, making a left, making a right, and coming to a straight line. Punch it! Look at it. Just straight line just goes away like that. So I'm going to go off-road and bother the kitty. Kitty ran. Kitty says, what the hell is this? The car is coming to me. I was actually enjoying the race, watching the car race, and now it's coming after me and following me. Oh man, this cat is giant. So let's go back to the track once again, and here I come on the track, driving again, fast and turn. Man, I love the way they have given you this track. You know, before I used to make tracks with these 3D printed chains and other objects that I have at home, but having to have this official track, and I hope they're going to introduce more tracks soon that you can actually buy and make. Maybe if SNT, I give you an idea that make plastic version like blocks, building blocks tracks that we used to have in the toy trains, and we have in those dickies, the model cars, what is called Hot Wheels, like that kind of track, plastic tracks that you can join parts of the tracks and make a track of your own choice. Like it goes up, it has jumps, it goes under the tables and stuff like that. So I hope you can make a track like this, and we can build those tracks as we want. We can purchase those tracks as we want and enjoy racing these, because look at that, man. This precision driving is definitely, things have improved in this car. That is why you're able to drive with precision, much more precision compared to what you had before. And not to mention, look at that, how it punches, man. The punch speed on this car, I am simply loving it. So this was my commentary on this. Ooh, hello kitty. Woohoo, you must be cold. Oh, look at that. Let me give you some love here. Yeah, I'll give you some love later. Don't worry, let me drive. So yes, this car really have improved a lot, people. Alright people, thank you very much for watching this video. Now for the conclusion, it's very easy to say that definitely they have improved the Q25 R27 compared to its previous version. I could see there are improvements on this. The power combo is better, the steering response, this proportional steering, the throttle control is much better compared to the previous one. FPV feed, given that the FPV system is really easy to install on the car and remove, and it is improved as well, because this time I had a solid FPV feed. On the previous version I had glitches, I wasn't able to go too far, but on this one, compared to the previous version, I was able to go farther than the usual, and I still had a very, very good solid FPV feed. If you're driving it right in front of you on a given track that has been provided, the official track, you will have no glitches at all, you will have no problems at all, as you have watched in the video. The steering response, the steering control, the throttle control, everything has improved a lot, and not to mention the plenty of drive time that you have now. While they claim 30 minutes, I believe it's actually true, because I have driven it a lot and it still had battery and it was still going on and giving me fun FPV racing moments. So this definitely has improved a lot. Once again, thank you very much for watching this video. Stay tuned to my channel, subscribe and hit that little bell icon, turn on all the notifications so you stay updated for all the upcoming videos, exciting videos that you should watch on my channel. Give this video a big thumb up. I'm out. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button right there. Come on, don't be shy, just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button.